Namaskaram all, this is Abhijit Patil, one of the co-founder of AjnaLens. Today I am super excited to announce the partnership between NSDC and AjnaLens, and also very much thankful to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the whole NSDC team. Today, unemployment is the biggest issue, and the root cause of this unemployment is unskilled people. If we all can work towards skilling people, then definitely this unemployment issue will run away soon. And hence, AjnaLens is creating Ajna Vidya, where anybody can get skill in the virtual world. To create these virtual worlds, we also launch Ajna Creator Program, where any students and professionals can learn about XR ecosystem. They can learn about development of virtual worlds, 3D assets, 3D worlds, environment, digital avatar, digital twin, and so on and so forth. Any student who completed this ACP program can download their NSDC accredited certificate from their website, which will not only give them a jobs but also boost their confidence and get them skill. By this partnership, AjnaLens and NSDC inching towards their vision, which is Skill India. Thank you so much.